Yo, so check it. There was this wild campaign event in Mexico where the stage straight up collapsed. Fam. Like warnings about high winds were ignored and then boom, tragedy struck. The stage, lights, and a giant screen came tumbling down, leaving 9 dead and almost 200 injured. And get this. There was a hurricane warning, but tourists were left in the lurch, having to hide in bathrooms as the storm wrecked their hotel rooms. The organizers of the event are catching mad heat for not canceling or evacuating before disaster struck. Even the prez is out here absolving them of any blame. Like what? In the U.S., a similar stage collapse led to major changes in safety regulations. Let's hope Mexico gets their act together, 'cause lives are at stake, yo. Stay safe out there, peeps.